Good evening, everybody. Welcome back. No diag today, no repair. This is a quick mail call and a little shout out to a few guys that have sent me some stuff. I wanted to share it with you guys and maybe a quick conversation. Make this quick. It's the end of the day. It's like 7:30 and I want dessert. So let me get to this real quick. By the way, new shirts are in. Check them out. Real happy with them. They look cool. Give me a shout out if you're interested in getting one. Anyway, let's get to some mail call real quick. Sorry, first one up is actually this guy didn't send me one. This is One Auto. He's out in the United Kingdom. I swiped this one from Keith. It was in his truck. So all respect. I said I want one of those. I am a subscriber. Love his videos. He's another one of our UK friends. Talks with that silly accent, but he makes that great content. Check him out if you get a chance. I'll put all the links in the description so you guys can check him out. All right. Where's my letter opener? Oh, it's Tool Hut. Sam. I joke when I say I got a lot of mail. I've been saving this up for weeks. I don't get that much mail, but it's all good. Little letter, says thank you. Check out my magnet, sticker, cool stuff. Thank you, Sam. Went to the TST seminar, you probably heard all about it a couple weeks ago. Great training, great networking, got to hang out with a lot of great people, had a lot of fun. Tool companies were there. Yes, I spent some money. That's all good. Anything else in there? No love note? Cool. Voltage drop Diagnostics. Great guy. From out in PA. Not too far from me. This will be going. I got to find a spot for all these cool stuff. I'm thinking on the box behind me. I got a couple over here on the cabinet. I got flat rate over there, and I got Ozstar. I'll find a good spot for them. We'll check them out. I don't know, maybe up here somewhere. We'll see. Oh, Joe was concerned I didn't get his envelope. Joe from Joe's Auto Electric, right over the bridge from Staten Island. I can just get this in here and not rip anything. Oh, I broke his chops. I said I wanted a magnet. He did. Oh, he sent me a card, a magnet, a sticker. Thank you, Joe. I keep telling Joe we're going to get over and do lunch one day. Because he's like literally a stone's throw. But guys, as far as the training goes, if you get a chance to encourage some of the young guys out there, the dynamic for the older guys, the dynamics have changed. You guys know when we started out, it was tough. There was no internet. You got stuck on a car, you want help, you turned around, there was nobody there. You know, you're lucky if you had the guy in the next bay that could give you some bad advice, or you had a book that was wrong, and then you ended up struggling to figure it out for yourself. And the guys that did know didn't want to share it because they had a struggle, and they wanted you to struggle. Not all the time, but usually. Today it's different. The internet, social media, there's a lot of opportunity for the young guys to get access to this information, access to training venues. If you don't know, ask. Train by text, that's what they're all about. They'll definitely help you out. I'll help you out where I can. Everybody will point in the right direction for training or whatever. But my point is, there's no excuse to say, well, I'm kind of stuck, I have no help, there's nobody. There's plenty of help. We didn't have this. I wish I had this 20, 30 years ago. The kind of help that's available now. So ask, get out there, encourage. The industry's changing. It's getting very diverse. From diagnosticians to ADAS to just, there's so many, years ago it was just wrench turning. Now there's, there's people turning wrenches. You have people doing the diagnosing stuff, guys doing calibrations. It's going to really get, I think it's going to get very segregated and very specialized. So, but I think the training is definitely increased. So get out there, encourage, help. That's about it. That's about it. I don't know. What do you think? Up here for some stickers? I don't know. Maybe I'll take all this junk down. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, sorry, I have to get back to you. Yeah. Last two. Cody out in Arizona. Oh, this one's open already. So it's nice and warm. Come on. Cody's got a cool little note. Thank you. Cody's got an awesome toolbox store. I'm jealous. No, I'm not doing a toolbox store, but check out Codys Diagnostics out in Arizona. He's probably sweating already because it's still chilly here. How do I open this thing? Last one from Thomas up in Canada. Thomas is our Volkswagen specialist. Oh, there's all kinds of stuff in here. Yeah. I feel bad. I sent him one sticker. Oh, he's got all kinds. Oh, man. We got, is that Leon? That's Leon. Woo! King of the 318. And of course, check them out. That's it. That's all I got. That's my mail call. I don't have anything else to show you. But I'm waiting to get interrupted. Maybe not. I'll do a toolbox tour one day. I got not much to show, but it'd be a good lesson for those young guys who might feel pressured or I don't know, encouraged to buy a big fancy toolbox like Cody's got. It's a beautiful toolbox, Cody, and I got mad respect for it, but toolbox don't fix cars, you know that old adage. This toolbox, I bought the bottom half in, oh gosh, 1989, and my wife bought me the top half as a present. We were still dating back then. That was like 1990, and it's still here and it still works. You don't need the big toolbox. It's, you know, don't look to impress somebody with your toolbox. Buy it because it's functional. This one's functional for me. I hang a lot of stuff on the walls. I'll show you one day. We'll do that. But in the meantime, let me cut this out. It's gone too long already. I just want to share with some stuff I got. Say thank you to the guys from TST, the guys that ran it, the guys that contributed, the guys that helped organize it and attended. It's gonna be great. Super Saturday's coming up in October. If you guys can make it, definitely hit it up. I'll be there for sure. I don't even know who's teaching it. It don't matter. I'll be there. I'll put a link to that also in the description. Guys, thank you. God bless. We hope to see you real soon. Thank you.